ACH here with a couple of babies. Smokey Puffball, come here.
Smokey's trying to hide. Smokey's hiding.
Can you say hi? Oh, say hi. Oh, sweetheart.
She's a little talker. Oh.
What is it, bae? No, she wants to be snuggled. These little kittens are the loveliest little kitten babies in the whole entire universe. They love being loved. Oh, sweetheart, she's climbing on me.
Who's my babies? Who's my baby?
They're so tiny. Oh.
Who's my baby girl?
They love their kitty daddy.
Who's my baby girl?
So much.
Who's my baby girl?
She's climbing me.
Who's my baby girl? Who's my baby girl?
Oh, look.
That is so cute.
I think somebody wants a ride. Where's Smokey?
Oh. Who's my baby girl?
Ooh, somebody's crawling down my back. This has been an ACH family broadcast production.
Who's my baby girl? Who's my baby girl?
Two beautiful baby girls
Who's my baby girl?
that are as precious as can be.
Who's my baby girl?
And they talk. They have a lot to say all the time. Oh, look at Smokey.
Who's my baby girl?
So say bye, babies. Say bye, Spooky. Spooky, can you say goodbye? Bye. You say bye, Smokey.
What does she want?
Do you need to go potty?
No, she just wants a ride.
Can you say hi? Oh, she gave me kisses.
Hi. Who's my baby girl? Who's my baby girl? Who's my baby girl?
Say, I'm your baby girl. Say bye-bye, girls. Say bye-bye.